Hi everyone, welcome back to Style Buddy. Today I'm going to tell you 5 fashion etiquettes that every man should know. So, to begin with the first one, a crumpled shirt on any occasion is a huge no. Never wear a crumpled shirt. Crisp ironed shirt will give you the boost of confidence that we all need.
Learn the right way to button up your blazer. If your suit or blazer has two buttons, you're not supposed to close both of them. You're only supposed to button up the first one. And also, when you're sitting down, keep that button open. Please, all the men out there, learn this. It's time to take your grooming game seriously. Smaller things like unkept beard, dirty nails are a huge no no.
Regular exercise in any form is essential for a healthy lifestyle. Be it weight training or yoga, figure out a form of exercise which works for your body type, and along with your regular exercise, it's very important to follow a clean and nutritious diet. It's very important for your overall well being.
For more such content, follow us on Instagram and log on to stylebuddy.in.